Abbie's already got the brown coconut, and what we're gonna do, we're gonna get the green coconut, aren't we?
I'm putting that down. That's way too heavy.
All right, there's our coconut. Is that all right, Jackson? Let's see here. What do you got there?
Brown milk.
What do you think?
Good. Here, you want some?
I'll try some, sure.
It tastes
There's our
good.
coconut. We opened it up. There's
I'm
the
gonna-
milk. We'll take. I wouldn't say the milk from this is all that good. It's not very sweet. I'm expecting the milk from that to be a little better. So I just cut open the green one. Pour some in the glass there. I cut some meat. Let's see how Abbie likes the meat. Go ahead.
Where is it? Right there? That? Okay. That, when you bite it, it feels like you're biting an apple.
You know, let me try some.
It tastes like
All right.
nothing. Well, I just ate that meat and the milk and that one's milk, and I'm gonna tell you what they are. To me. This one is not good. When you bite it, it feels like you're biting an apple.
You're talking about the meat.
Yeah.
Well, you're not a big fan of coconut, though, are you?
Not really, because this is my first time eating one.
Okay.
My dad chopped it up. And this is the brown one's milk poured in.
No, that's the green one's milk.
Wait,
The
what?
brown one's milk's in the purple cup.
Oh. Oh, yeah. This one is pretty good. This one is not that good.
Okay, so the meat, since obviously we couldn't really even get any meat off of that one, the meat off the brown one tastes better than the meat off the green one, right?
We didn't even taste that, though.
Yeah, because we couldn't. But we know that anyway. And what do you think about the coconut water? Which one was better?
This one.
The green one's water was better than the brown one's water. Okay, we got it. Thank you for your review, Abigail.